Can we make this steering wheel look like new again? Stay tuned to find out. That's a good one! Alright, so I made this video before, a couple of years ago, and it actually proved to be really popular. It's full of comments saying how wonderful this method is. There is nothing really to this method. It's extremely simple. This is how you can fix your worn, old, tired Alcantara suede steering wheel. Obviously, electronics, you cannot really submerge electronics in water, so there was a few comments. So either take everything out or don't do it. Anyways, what you need water, warm water. You need microfiber cloth, 2-3, and this is the most important ingredient, not affiliated, but this is a washing up liquid. Almost any washing up liquid will do. And what you do is you have to put just like that, enough, a couple of drops. It doesn't need a lot of detergent. And this is entirely optional, but I'm gonna use it this time. This is just a brush, a really thick but plastic brittle brush. Do not use metal because it will ruin your finish. You can use an old toothbrush, don't use your missus one. And because this steering wheel, as you can see, is really badly molded and soiled, because it's been sitting in my competition MR2 that has been sitting in the outside in the elements, and a bit of rain, obviously it's a soft top, a bit of rain gets in and it just started growing mold. And obviously I just want to wipe the majority of the mold off, just so we're not ruining our water straight away. And doesn't matter how you do it, you can use whatever you want, cloth. Done. Thank you, subscribe. Joking, obviously this is not enough. We just basically brushed everything off. And the next step is really simple. Take your microfiber cloth, squeeze it out so it's not really dripping, and molest it. Honestly, just don't be afraid. Go to town, go to absolute town. You're not gonna ruin it. And in circular motions like that, just keep rubbing it. Just keep rubbing it. I've been asked before in the comments, oh, I don't have fairy liquid, I have this and that. Any detergent, because what it does, it breaks down fatty particles, same way it does with your dishes, from your hands mainly, and that's what you want. You just want to break down those particles and then you're wiping them off. But you have to be quite vigorous. You don't have to be gentle with it. Trust me, if you're gentle, it's not going to work. Regularly, rinse off your cloth and keep going to town. Like really massage it everywhere in circular motions like that, and you can see all of this dirt just stays on your microfiber. As you can see, it's already looking like new. There is a lot of excess moisture. And if I show you this, that is nasty, because there is a lot of excess moisture on the steering wheel. You need to take a dry cloth and just wipe the excess. No need to be very aggressive now. You're basically just getting rid of excess moisture that is at the top of the steering wheel. Depending on how soiled your steering wheel is, you might want to do it 2 times. You might want to replace the water, put more detergent. This is a competition vehicle. This is good enough for me. It's black and you cannot see anything. And like I said, this is the additional step. You don't need to do it. I haven't done it before on this steering wheel. This is only to show you that this gives you a slightly better finish. And then what you want to do is just brush it. What it does, it exfoliates the wet and tired Alcantara and suede fabric, basically raising the hairs ever so slightly, so it will look almost like brand new. Don't need to be very vigorous. Just a slide going over with a brush. Basically just bringing back the texture of the material. And again, the results may vary. All depends what your steering wheel is made from and how badly soiled it is. But you will see the difference between what it was to what it becomes in literally 5 minutes of washing. And now you need to dry it. Remember, do not put it on the heat source. Do not put it in the microwave. Do not put it in your oven. And do not put it directly over your radiator, because the heat might be a little bit too much and it will shrink it. You don't want that. What you want is room temperature, around 20-25 degrees next to radiator. Maybe put it on the box on top, so gentle, really gentle heat. And it needs to dry for about 2 days. And after that, it's done. But obviously you can brush it a little bit more, and I will show you once it dries.
The next day.
And about 24 hours later, check this out. Yes, it's been sitting in a drying cabinet for 24 hours and it's completely dry. And the difference is staggering. Yes, it doesn't look new, but remember, this is a very old steering wheel. It was very soiled before, then we cleaned it, and you've seen what it was before. And I just wanted to quickly show you what you do with a brush afterwards. As you can see, all the fabric is a little bit flat, but with a brush, just gently brush it, you can bring it back up. That's entirely optional, and only if you want to do it yourself, if you want the texture to be a little bit more hairy. For me, for the race car, this is absolutely fine. Anyways, guys, this is the easiest way and the cheapest way to clean your Alcantara wheel. Just don't be scared, use detergent and massage. Anyways, for more helpful tips, subscribe to Rusky. I will see you on the next one. Goodbye!